When energy-efficient upgrades are made, many old appliances, such as refrigerators and also old ovens, become exiled to the basement. Ignored by humans, they become home to dust, bugs, and other creatures. But one organization has made it their goal to put value back into the devalued in order to help those in need. The Salvation Army of Iowa City collects clothing, electronics, anything you'd find in an old basement.
Washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, freezers, pretty much anything that gets plugged in.
Not only does putting the used appliances in a new home benefit the buyer, but also the people in the community needing assistance.
Well, they give 3 meals every night, and then disaster relief, like if somebody's house burns down, they give vouchers, and they can come here and get free stuff.
So instead of leaving that old stove in the basement for the rodents, donate it to the Salvation Army so it can go towards helping the community.